Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Learn to Code with Noob. So today this is a part 2 of our TypeScript series, and those of you who have watched our part 1, they already know that we ran into an error in which we ran into this message variable error. So today I will be going through how we can solve this error. And while I will be explaining the solution of the problem, I will be also touching the concept called scopes in JavaScript or TypeScript, which will be really interesting. So yeah, please watch the whole video to just have a good understanding of what are scopes. And those of you who haven't watched our part 1 of this series, I have put a link in the description below. So please do check that out and let us know how do you feel about that video. So yeah, let's just jump straight into the code. Alright, so now we can see this error. So now I want to explain you why this error is coming. So if we will look into the error message, it is saying cannot redeclare block scoped variable message, right? So it's basically saying message this variable was also declared here. So it's saying that this message variable is also redeclared in this JavaScript file, which is generated by this TypeScript compiler. So there is a thing called scopes in JavaScript world, right? So here in TypeScript, if we are defining a variable like this and basically writing our code like this, it's defined as a script file, right? So their scope is global. So what it means is this message is basically redeclared over here, which is not allowed in JavaScript world, right? So you can actually think scope as a room, right? So here main.ts and main.js, they both are in one room, right? So if they both are in one room, you can't redeclare the same thing again. It's a rule.
You mean the variable?
Yeah. So the variable you can't redeclare. So this message you can't redeclare in the same file.
Okay.
So because this have a global scope, it means it's basically saying, hey, you can't do that.
Can you explain the global scope?
Yeah, so global scope is basically it means is that everything is in one file in in a simple way. Or you can say that this message can be accessed in different files. So for example, let me give you a simple example. Let's just delete this main.javascript which was generated, right? So if I make a new file over here which is main1.ts, right? And if I access this variable like this, like message is equal to hello world, right? 2. So here I haven't redeclared this message, but I can still access it. So this is basically global scope. Now if I'll make one new file like main2.ts, I can access this same message variable in that file too, right? So it's a script, and the script variables they have a global scope. So let's like go back. So this is global scope. Now I will just delete it and regenerate my JavaScript file. So in order to tell like JavaScript that hey, this is actually a module, right? So what you can do is at the top of the file you can write export. So if at the top of the file there is a keyword called export or import, it basically tells TypeScript that hey, this is a module.
Different module.
Yeah.
Oh.
So which means now this message is scoped to this file only, to this module only. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to click on the like button. If you don't like this video, please mention why in the comment down below. Like, share and subscribe. Keep learning.